First time sasakay ako ng airplane, itong aking long vacation at aking destination to Palawan.
On the way, nandito na ako sa may airport.
Friendly people, eto nga pala yung time kung saan kami ay paakyat na at papunta na sa Clark International Airport. Dito yan sa may Pampanga. Selfie moment muna si Papa Eli, pinsan ko si Kuya Eric. Ito yung time kung saan talaga naman pong bakas na bakas sa aming mga ngitin ang aming pagiging first timer dito sa pagpunta sa airport. At eto nga pala, nag-selfie muna kami. At ito yung aming ticket. At ito, syempre, hindi ko maiwasan na hindi ako magagala dito sa loob ng airport. Ito naman yung pinakaloob ng airport kung saan makikita natin yung kagandahan talaga ng airport at napakalinis ng airport. Medyo kakaunti pa lang yung mga store na bukas dito, si Kuya Omar at si Papa Eli. Ako naman, nagpaikot-ikot ako dito sa loob ng Clark International Airport kasi first time ko to. Kaya so happy na mag-ikot-ikot ako. Ito yung mga gamit namin na dala-dala ni Papa Eli. Ayan yung aming paper. Tapos ito yung aming mga bagahe pa. So yan, ikot-ikot pa rin ako dito. Picture muna din ako. After na mag-wait yung mga bagahe o yung mga gamit namin, ito dumaan naman siya dito sa isang machine ba tawag dito. Ito yung aming ticket. So, ito pa rin yung loob ng airport. At ito dito naman sa labas, may nakita kami na talaga napakalaki ng airplane. Grabe. At ito yung nagwe-wait ako. At ito naman yung proud ako para sa akin ticket. At ito yung time kung saan kami ay bababa na at ready na sa aming flight. At ito yung nandito na kami papasok na kami ng amin pong airplane. At ito talaga naman pong so happy ang aking pakiramdam. At ito yung nasa loob na talaga kami ng airplane kung saan inaayos na yung aming seat number. Ito po. Siyempre, selfie muna tayo. At ito dito ako natuwa dito sa word na to na hope you feel better soon. While sitting, nakikinig din kami sa mga instruction.
Weather news forecasted to be quite cloudy this afternoon. For the Princesa weather, update shall be reported prior to our descent. In accordance with Philippine regulations, all guests on board are required to wear face masks while inside the aircraft. Your safety and comfort is always our priority. We request all guests to pay attention to announcements from the flight deck and cabin crew. Your usual patience, cooperation, and compliance are highly appreciated. Please do not hesitate to call on the attention of our cabin crew should you require further assistance or clarification on these important measures. We wish you a safe and pleasant journey. Thank you for flying.
Provided to the seatbelt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seatbelt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air, and push pins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not enclave the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you.
Remove your face mask, then put the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth.
Put it over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide raft.
Picture time with flight stewardess at ito yung time kung saan kami ni Papa Eli ay magkatabi dito sa aming seating arrangement. Lumipat kami, napunta kami sa may likuran. So, ito yung time kung saan umaakit na yung airplane or papataas na yung airplane. Kung saan makikita natin na talaga naman pong yung ulap na lang yung nakikita namin dito. Ito yung time kung saan ang pakiramdam ko dito, hindi ako natakot. Natuwa ako kasi nung una, nung papaakyat siya, ito yung time kung saan kumapit si Papa Eli dahil siya ay ninervyos dahil para daw siyang nalula. Ako yung time na na-experience ko, talaga naman puntuwang-tuwa ako kasi hindi ko akalain na makikita ko talaga ng malapitan yung mga clouds. Tapos, ang ganda pa ng view sa taas. Ito yung kung saan malapit na kami sa Palawan. So makikita na natin yung pinaka-island. At ito yung kung saan kami ay pababa na dito. Talaga naman pong papunta na kami sa Puerto Princesa Airport. Ayan na, pababa na po talaga kami. At talaga naman pong kami ay nagmamadali na nung time na to dahil ang dami pong pasaheros na bababa na yung mga mababait na flight stewardess. Thank you sa pag-assist sa amin. At eto, yung time na kung saan ay talagang bumababa na kami dito at papunta na kami sa Puerto Princesa Airport. At talaga naman pong so happy yung aking pakiramdam dahil kahit na first time ko to ay nagte-thank you ako dahil hindi ako nahilo, hindi ako nasuka. Talagang proud ako sa sarili ko nung nakasakay ako ng airplane na talaga namang grabe, napakasarap sa pakiramdam. Tapos nakita ko pa ng malaki yung airplane. Ito nga pala yung Puerto Princesa Airport. Ayan, ikot-ikot ko muna. Kaya ayan yung airplane namin. Ito yung airport. Tapos ito yung pinakaloob ng airport. Ayan, ang ganda ng airport nila. Tapos, ito naman yung time kung saan kami ay sinundo na nung van. On the way para sa aming hotel kung saan dito kami mag-i-stay for 6 days. Ito kung saan kami ay ginabi na sa pagpunta dito sa hotel. Ito yung aming room na napaka-cute. Friendly people, talaga naman pong pagod match ang aming biyahe. Samahan niyo po ako sa aking biyahe. See you po sa aking mga next video. Thank you for watching.